Kisii MP, who predicted Ruto's win in 2022, predicts what will happen to Matiang'i in 2027. A well-known political figure in Kisii has sparked a fresh debate after making a bold prediction about the 2027 general election. Silnas Osoro, who is remembered for confidently predicting President William Ruto's victory in 2022, has now turned his attention to former Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i. Speaking during a public event in Kisii County, Osoro said that Matiang'i should prepare for a difficult political future. According to him, the political ground in Kisii has shifted and the former CS should not expect automatic support from the community. Osoro maintained that even though Matiang'i has been a respected leader in the region for many years, the 2027 political environment will be very different. EBK Updates. Subscribe.